My dear friends, should we use someone else's video in our YouTube channel? The answer is no. If we do that, we may get copyright strike, and by chance if we get 3 copyright strikes, then our YouTube channel will be permanently terminated. Remember that. Now the question arises, is anybody stealing our videos in their channel? How do we know that somebody else are stealing our video in their YouTube channel or not? Yes, that we can know. There is an option to show. Go and click to this copyright. So in the left side menu you will get this option, copyright. Now see, here you will find, see, this many numbers of my video have been stolen by some other channel. Now you can see IGNU BCA Lab. This is a YouTube channel having 40 subscribers, so they have stolen my videos. So you can see IGNU BCA Lab, they have stolen my videos. Another channel, that is the Learner Guruji, this channel have got 125 subscribers, so this channel also have stolen some of my videos. So you can see this many of my videos have been stolen by some other channel. Now what step should I take? There are some steps, just observe. So here I can click this button. Now after selecting a particular video, what I can do, there are 3 options are available, right? So here I can do contact the channel owner. So in this particular option, what I can do, I can contact this particular channel owner who have stolen my this particular video, and I may send a message to remove this video, right? This is what we can do, right? Another option, that is request removal. So what I can do in this particular option, so I will directly request the YouTube to take a severe action against that channel. So I'm going to request YouTube to remove the particular video from that channel. So it is known as removal request. So I'm not going to contact with the channel owner, so I'm going to directly request the YouTube to remove that particular video from that channel, that is IGNU Lab channel, who have stolen my video. And along with that, it will also push a copyright strike. That channel who have stolen my video will get a copyright strike, right? So if I submit this legal agreement, so just I need to click this option. Now after clicking this 3 option, I will write my name over here, right? I will fill up all the details as I am the copyright owner of this content, right? After doing this, I will submit the button, right? Now what will happen? Now after that, that particular video will be permanently removed from that particular channel who have stolen my video. And not only that, that channel will get a copyright strike, right? So I hope this video will be very helpful for you. So in the next video I will tell you that how have I got my channel monetized in just 18 months, right? So I have got my channel monetized in just 18 months. Is it easy to get a channel monetized? Certainly not. It is quite difficult, but some of the steps which I have followed that helped me to have my channel monetized in 18 months, that I am going to explain in a separate video. So if you want to see that particular video, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, so that when I will be uploading that video, you will be notified, right? Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, click the like button. Goodbye for today.